Before this video, let's hear how my natural voice sounds.
Now I use AI tool to change my voice into Morgan Freeman in real time.
Today, many individuals are raking in thousands of dollars online by offering their voiceover services. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of using an AI voice changer to kickstart your voiceover career. You can create trailer voices, testimonials, greetings, and a wide array of audio clips. Step 1. Download MagicMic. You'll find the download link in the description below. Choose the version that suits your device, download and install it. Step 2. Configure your settings. Once MagicMic is installed, open the software. Make sure your input is set to your microphone and your output is directed to your system's speakers or headphones. Step 3. Select voices. In the top column, you'll discover a variety of free voices. Simply click on one to select it, and you're ready to roll. We offer 5 new free voices every day, so you can have a blast experimenting with your voice. You can also opt for paid voices, and we've got a special coupon for you in the video description to make it more affordable. Step 4. Start the transformation. Click the Apply Voice Changer button, and you're all set to launch your professional voiceover career with a voice that's as distinctive as Morgan Freeman's.
I might sound a lot like Morgan Freeman right now, but just to confirm, let's dive into a fictional movie trailer narration. In a world of endless possibilities where love knows no bounds, one couple embarks on an unforgettable journey. This summer, get ready to experience the warmth of love, laughter, and the magic of the beach.
Opportunities like these, harnessing AI to create unique voices for online services, have never been more accessible. If you can master this art, you can significantly boost your income. This is MagicMic, and I'll catch you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to like, comment, and share. Your support means the world to us. Thank you.